Ever smoked a cheesecake? Here's how I do it, Bananas Foster style. Whether you're using an offset or a pellet smoker, choose a milder fruit wood so you're not imparting any bitterness into a dessert. I've got my Oklahoma Joe's Ryder 900 DLX preheated to 275 degrees. I'm going to smoke this vanilla wafer crust for 20 minutes. Finishing up my banana cheesecake mixture with spiced rum, then I'm going to pour it into the crust, smooth it out, return it to the smoker for roughly an hour and 15 minutes. Internal temp of a cheesecake when it's done is 150 degrees. Let it rest on the counter for half an hour, then refrigerate for at least 6 to 8 hours. Now it's time to make the Bananas Foster topping. I'm going to let my cast iron preheat in the smoker at 250 degrees. Once it's up to temp, I'm adding melted butter, brown sugar, cinnamon and nutmeg, and a touch of heavy cream. Stir it together, then let it go for about 30 to 40 minutes until the mixture is bubbling. Now comes the fun part, adding in the rum and lighting it on fire. Seriously, flambe is fun, but proceed with caution, and I did have a fire extinguisher on standby. Once I've swirled those flames out, I'm going to add in sliced bananas, return to the smoker for 10 minutes, then pour it over the cheesecake. Garnish with some cinnamon whipped cream, and you've got a showstopper in both flavor and presentation. Look how gorgeous that is. It tastes even better. Hope y'all enjoy.